The British military said this week that Russia had formed a major new ground force called the Third Army Corps from volunteer battalions, seeking men up to age 50 and requiring only a middle school education, while offering lucrative cash bonuses once they are deployed to Ukraine. But complaints also are surfacing in the media that some aren't getting their promised payments. As Russia continues to suffer losses in its invasion of Ukraine, now nearing its 6th month, the Kremlin has refused to announce a full-blown mobilization, a move that could be very unpopular for President Vladimir Putin. That has led instead to a covert recruitment effort that includes using prisoners to make up the manpower shortage. This also is happening amid reports that hundreds of Russian soldiers are refusing to fight and trying to quit the military. We're seeing a huge outflow of people who want to leave the war zone, those who have been serving for a long time and those who have signed a contract just recently, said Alexei Dabalov, a lawyer who runs the Conscript School Legal Aid Group. The group has seen an influx of requests from men who want to terminate their contracts, and I personally get the impression that everyone who can is ready to run away, Dabalov said in an interview. Although the Defense Ministry denies that any mobilization activities are taking place, authorities seem to be pulling out all the stops to bolster enlistment. Billboards and public transit ads in various regions proclaim, "This is the job," urging men to join the professional army. Regional administrations are forming volunteer battalions that are promoted on state television. The Business Daily Commercial counted at least 40 such entities in 20 regions, with officials promising volunteers monthly salaries ranging from the equivalent of $2,150 to nearly $5,500, plus bonuses. The recruitment of prisoners has been going on in recent weeks in as many as 7 regions, said Vladimir Osechkin, founder of the Gulagu.net prisoner rights group, citing inmates and their relatives that his group had contacted. It's not the first time that authorities have used such a tactic, with the Soviet Union employing prisoner battalions during World War II. In the current circumstances, Osechkin said, it isn't the Defense Ministry that's recruiting prisoners, instead, it was Russia's shadowy private military force, the Wagner Group. According to Osechkin, prisoners with military or law enforcement experience were initially offered to go to Ukraine, but that later was extended to inmates with varying backgrounds. He estimated that as of late July, about 1,500 might have applied, lured by promises of big salaries and eventual pardons. Now, he added, many of those volunteers, or their families, are contacting him and seeking to get out of their commitments, telling him, I really don't want to go. According to the woman whose boyfriend is serving his sentence at the penal colony in St. Petersburg, the offers to leave the prison are a glimmer of hope for freedom. But she said he told her that of 11 volunteers, 8 died in Ukraine. She added that one of the volunteers expressed regret for his decision and doesn't believe he will return alive.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.